Namaste. Good morning, class 8. Today we have exercise duty of a citizen. This lesson is there. We have exercise, and already I have written about true false. Some sentences are there. Are these sentences true or false? You have to read seriously, and then you have to write in the boxes, which are true, which are false, tick or cross. Put tick or cross in these boxes. And this is very easy, and I have written there for you. It is given in book also. One is left there, I will write again. You write this in your copy. I will clean now, and I write one more that is left. F number. F number is there. That is, it is the responsibility of every citizen. F number. It is the responsibility of every citizen to involve in the activities of national well-being. Write true or false. You have to put there in the box, and after that there are some questions. Briefly answer the following questions. Small questions, these are the small answer questions, short answer questions, and 4 number there are some long answer type questions. Then match the following is also there. So today we discuss about 2 number question. Briefly answer the following questions. Why does the state require a large amount of money? A state or a country also requires money. We, all people, all citizens of the nation, pay tax to the government. By this tax, the government will do development work. So why does the state require a large amount of money? A state requires a large amount of money to do various development work. This is the main point. To do various development work, like construction of road, construction of electricity, construction of communication tower, to build hospitals, public schools, libraries, different infrastructure, to build different infrastructure. A state needs large amount of money to provide salary to civil servants. It is short answer type question, so don't write more. To do development, different development work, and to provide salary to civil servants. That is in short you can write. Then who is patriot? The people or the person who loves the nation, and who is ready to do any type of sacrifice for the well-being of the nation. that is patriot. What is public property? The property that is owned by the government. The property that is owned by the government that does not belong to any private person. That is called public property. What is tax? The amount of money people pay to the government for doing any welfare program or for doing any business or occupation, that is called tax. How can the nation be prosperous? The nation will be prosperous if every citizen will ready to involve in development work, if there is unity among the people of the nation, if the people love or admire the nation, then only development is possible, or our nation will be prosperous. Among these answers, all I don't write, but some I write. You write yourself. I have said, I have described. You can play my video one time. You can play my video many times and you can write. Even though I write some, B number, A number you write yourself, B number. The person who loves the nation and is ready to do any type of sacrifice. For the well-being the person who loves the nation and is ready to do any type of sacrifice. Any type of sacrifice for the well-being of nation, well-being of the nation. Is a patriot person. The person who loves the nation and is ready to do any type of sacrifice for the well-being of the nation is a patriot person. What is public property? That I have written, I think, in previous lesson also. Very easy question is that the property that is owned by the government, that does not belong to any private person, that is public property. What is tax? See, D number I write. The amount of money amount of money that is paid by the people to the government. The amount of money that is paid by the people to the government for doing any business or occupation. The amount of money that is paid by the people to the government for doing any business or occupation is called tax. E. How can the nation be prosperous? If there is unity among the people of the nation, if there is unity among the people of the nation, and all the people will involve in the development work, all the people involved in the work for the well-being of the nation, then only a nation can be prosperous. So unity, keep in mind, there should be unity among the people, and if all the people will ready to do any work, good work for the nation, or if all the people will involve in the development work of the nation or well-being of the nation. So this is the short answer type questions. These are the short answer type questions, and after that there is match the following and long questions. Other day I will discuss about these questions. Now in this moment I want to say you goodbye, have a nice day, and write these answers in your fair copy. Do some more also by yourself. Thank you.